Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Podia, sell courses and digital downloads step by step clearly. To log into Podia, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.podia.com and press enter. Once the Podia homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your Podia account. After entering your email, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Once you've entered both your email and password, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Podia dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email you provided. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your new password. Once logged in, you can start managing your courses and digital downloads. Explore the various options available on the dashboard to customize your offerings. You are now ready to use Podia for your online business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step